Alright, I'm going to do a video on the Blink Video Doorbell. This is the second generation. So you can see this right here. Maybe backwards. Alright. Let's see what version this is so you can take a good look at it. Alright, I already got the mount already on there. Take a closer look. Bring it over here real quick. Alright, so you got the ground wire already. So, hold on. Work with me. Come on, don't mess up now. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is the mount right here. So all you can do is measure it. This is where you're going to put the screws on the bottom of each one. The screws that's come with it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get a closer look. And that's the ground wire that came with it. Make sure you guys turn your power off on your circuit box. Your breaker box, I'm sorry. But this would be the mount right here. Just to give you guys a heads up. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Alright. This is it right here. Make sure you put the batteries in there as well. Batteries already in there. Let's push it in. There's a reset button right here on the inside. You want to see it. Let's put it back in there. This is going to be installation, that's it. I'm not going to do the whole thing for you guys. Alright, remember take the circuit breaker, turn the circuit breaker off. So this is right here, I got it screwed in. These are the two wires for it. They actually come pretty easy. You're going to get these screws as well too. But this is going to be it right here. Make sure the thing focus. You just slide it in there. As such, hold it down, screw it in, and then you're good. Alright. Alright, just bear with me. So I'll get these screws in. Alright, we're gonna get these as well too. So you put the wires together, just twist the tie. So you do one. Yeah. Just tie them together. Try to get closer to the end and do it. It's kind of hard, but yeah, just like that right there. If you can see it, and stick this on there. Twist it to the right. You'll be good. Same thing with the other one. The one I had prior was the first generation, so that's why they kind of like curved up. Stick this on there too. Twist it. Same thing. Little twisty type thing. Stick it on there. Stick it in there as well. So let's make sure it's tucked in pretty good. Alright, it's gonna say up on here, so make sure you guys do that as well. Let me get the screws. Now remember, these holes are gonna measure these holes right here. So just stick it in there. You can hand tie it for a little bit. This will get you started. Screwdriver. Make sure you take your time like this. Screw it in there. Do the other one. Try to get both of them started. Like slightly. Don't do what I did. I know you get them in there though. Remember, please hit that circuit breaker before you do anything. Lift it right up in there. that's it for that. Then you stick this in there, and we got the little hook on the top right here too. As you can see, the little hook right there on top. Then you got this right there as well too. Stuck it in there. Voila. That's it. And then you just do the rest of the stuff. Go through the process and then you're good. Alright, easy installation. Alright, y'all take care. Please make sure y'all comment, likes, all the good stuff as well. Subscribe. Thank you.